Don't run ads until you do this one thing first. I was talking to one of our clients, Jonathan, on one of our coaching calls last week, and we were talking about running ads, starting to spend money on ads, getting things set up. And one of the main things he told me that kind of popped up in the conversation was that he had about 4,000 contacts sitting in his CRM and people that were previously their previous clients or leads or people who booked a call. And I said, hold on a second, like before we start running any sort of ads, let's focus on reactivation and trying to get these people to buy again. And I think a lot of people don't think about that. Obviously, if you don't have 4,000 contacts, that's fine. But even if you have like 100 contacts or 50 contacts, a lot of times the first thing we do with a business owner when they come in and work with us is we do what we call a reactivation. And so I'll give you like a snippet of kind of what we do. Obviously, I won't give you the whole thing because that's what our clients pay us for. But like a snippet of what we typically do with them is we hit up all of these leads in either email, text, phone call, and we'll say something like, hey, name, we rolled something brand new out. Would love to reconnect, see if it's a fit for you. And like, that's literally it. That's all we say. And then typically what we see is clients will then reach back out or leads will reach back out and say, hey, yeah, like I'm interested. Like, what do you guys have? What are you working on? What's the new thing that you're working on? And then we can basically get them back on a phone call and then try to reclose them on the new offer. And I've had clients generate literally, I kid you not, like $100,000 from doing this one thing when they come in and work with us. And we're able to just get them a win right off the bat with a reactivation. And with Jonathan, for example, if he has 4,000 contacts, even if like 25 to 50 of those people ended up working with him, that is hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. And so I think a lot of times you guys are not thinking about the fact that you have free money literally sitting in your email list, in your CRM, in your contacts. Clients that have paid you before will pay you again. And so like, just think about, what do I have in my contact? Who do I have that I could reactivate? And then send that simple message, get them back on a call, and then close them again. So hopefully that's helpful. Just a snippet from something I thought about, and go use that, close a couple clients. We'll see you in the next one.